welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 22nd day of the 40 days challenge. A very happy Dasara to one and all, and especially to my family back home in India and my family here in America. A very happy Dasara. On this auspicious and special day, I wanted to make something really special. This recipe I've been eating since my childhood. My mom has never failed to make this on every festival day, and it is a very traditional, simple, sweet dish called Saggubiyyam and Semiya Payasam, or Semiya and Tapioca Kheer. This dish definitely makes me nostalgic, takes me back to my childhood and all the good times we had during the festivals. So it is a very special dish, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I'm cooking my mom's specialty dish. I'm sure she learned it from her mother and my amama. So let's see how it's made, guys. 1/4 cup of cashew nuts, 1/4 cup of almonds, 1/4 cup of pistachios. Crush these together, guys, like this. Crush it coarsely, don't make it into a powder. To this, add 1/4 of kismis. I added 1 spoon of ghee to roast the dry fruits. Make sure you don't burn the dry fruits, guys. Just roast them and keep moving it. The crushed dry fruits are perfectly roasted now, so get them off the heat. Add 5 cups of almond milk and bring this to a nice boil. Once the almond milk comes to a nice boil, go ahead and add the roasted semiya. Now let this cook for 5 minutes in the milk. I added 1 cup of tapioca pearls, which I soaked for about 1 hour in water. We need to cook the payasam or the kheer until the tapioca pearls turn transparent. It takes roughly about 10 minutes to cook it once you put the tapioca pearls. So keep an eye, give it a mix every now and then to make sure it's not sticking at the bottom. There you go, guys. It is perfectly cooked now. Pink salt to balance the flavor. Add a cup of the roasted dry fruits. Look at that beautiful color. It smells amazing. I wish you guys can smell this one. Now turn off the heat. My mom, she always uses jaggery, so I'm going to add the jaggery. Please grate the jaggery and then give it a nice mix. Now ready, and it is perfectly cooked. Let's transfer it into our serving bowl. I will garnish this with some almond flakes. There you go. It looks perfect. There you go, guys, our amazing Sabudana Semiya Payasam. Do try this recipe out and let me know how it turned out. Enjoy the festival with your friends and family and have a great gathering. We are heading out to a friend's house to celebrate this lovely festival. My today's 2 cents is festivals are like the color of life, and they bring joy, happiness and people together. And also festivals are a time that give us an opportunity to connect with our roots, our culture and our traditions. Most importantly, the spirit of the festival lingers long after the lights are out. Until I see you guys in my next vlog, bye-bye guys. Bye-bye.